Gunner will not stay on the grass.
Hey Taylor, I think Gunner wanted one of those.
Dad, you wanna golf too? No. Daddy, you wanna golf?
Oh, go ahead.
For mine. The flags are at Carson's. Yeah. You can't do that, Taylor. No, I'm going to go by my... Oh.
Almost.
Your turn, Dad.
Go ahead. You do it. You got to show me how it works.
You pick one of these, and then you get the hose, and then get the flag. You don't do it, Taylor. You don't do it close. You do it far. Like that. That's how you do it.
Show me, Taylor.
You don't do it close, Dad. You do the ball far. Far. Now you hit it.
Hey! Yeah.
That's how you play the game. No, that's not how. You don't put it close.
Hey Taylor, maybe you should show Blaze how to do it.
No, I have to show her. She's doing it wrong.
Well, I just saw her make one.
Well, Taylor, look, you have to do it this far. You have to do it this far from the hole.
I got this little thing, you know, a stain, and I went up and asked the paint guy. I was like, so do you think this will cover a small table? Pretty good size table, not huge, but you know, fits. And he goes,
Here comes Gunner. Gunner.
yeah, it's supposed to cover up to 50 feet, and da-da-da-da-da, and he looks at me and goes,
You saw Blaze was gone. When you looked the other way, you saw he was gone. Now you look at how. Now you look to see how I'm doing. What you saw was gone. And you said, "Where's Blaze?" And Daddy. You saw footprints over there? You saw him playing golf. Oh. And you saw she was attacked.
Hey, was that to me?